Hello, welcome to this How Do I video, Dynamic CRM Integration Setup. In this video there are a couple of things that we'll discuss. The first thing that I would like to show you is how you can import solution into Dynamic CRM and where you can find this solution. We will also create Dynamic CRM users for integration. There must be a CRM integration user. And you should also create users for the integration based on the existing salespersons in Dynamics NAV. Then we will configure everything in Dynamics NAV on the Microsoft Dynamics CRM connection setup page. And last but not least, we will couple the salespersons and perform synchronization. To summarize what we will discuss in this video. We will import the solution into Dynamic CRM. We will create CRM users, especially the Dynamic CRM integration user, and we will configure Microsoft Dynamic CRM, the connection setup page. Last but not least, we need to configure to couple the salesperson and performance synchronization. Let's go to the demo. So the first step was to import the solution into Dynamics CRM. Let me note that the steps that need to be taken have already been done just for the purpose of time, saving the time. So we go to the dashboard settings, we go to solutions, and we press button import. Then we go to the DVD and we go to CRM customization, and you just press open and you follow the steps by clicking next and answering questions. This has already been done. It's not very difficult. The next step is to get to the users. For this you go again to the settings, you go to security, and you go to the users. As you can see, there are a couple of users already created. For instance, the Annette Hill. Annette Hill is the one that is based on Microsoft Dynamics. Go here, salespeople. Here you can see that those users do exist. Annette Hill, for example. And there is also the integration account. Yeah, here it is. NAV integration account. If we go to the roles, you will see that it is a system administrator. That's the most important thing that we need to discuss here. Also, the users that I created based on Dynamics, the salespersons, they are salespersons in Dynamics CRM as well. So that's very important to understand. Now let's go back to the actual configuration within Dynamics NAV. So first of all, you need the URL. You can get that from just go to CRM and you just take it until you see the end of here. Just important that you don't copy the slash, because it will automatically change it if you copy this slash after the com. But that's without the slash is the URL. You now also need the integration account plus the password. If you press enable, you will get these additional hidden configuration options. Another thing that you should configure beforehand is that you need to map the user to the Dynamics CRM user. That has already been done. The way to do that is by going to the users page, and you go to logged on user, and you go to Office 365 authentication and you configure the NAV integration account user and email address. That's what's needed here, and if you do that, then you have this this message box that says that it is correctly done. If you import the solution beforehand, then this will also show you that it is configured correctly. Just after you enable, you will get an error message if the password is not right or if the URL is not right. You can press test connection. That should give you a message that it was successful. Dynamics CRM connection user is an integration user. That's also correct. There's one thing that is not in order, that's not correct, which is the Dynamics CRM version. The Dynamics CRM version for the advanced sales order integration should be version 7.2. If you have an on-prem release of Dynamics, then that should be not a problem, but if you have Dynamics CRM online, it must be 7.2. So we will have to wait for an update from CRM online, and that will come in a few weeks. Was the promise. So that's all done, and you should now be enabled to do a full synchronization. If you do that, you will get a message. The message reads like this. This will synchronize address in all integration table mappings. Before running full synchronization, you should couple all my Dynamics NAV salespeople to Dynamics CRM users. So that's why we had to create the users beforehand in Dynamics CRM based on the existing sales people. Why is that? That is because if you do not couple the Dynamics NAV salespersons to actual Dynamics CRM user, then the data that is connected to the salesperson will not synchronize. So we press no and we verify that this has already been done. So we go to the sales people and we look at coupling. So for example, on that hill, that's the one I showed you previously, there are a couple of additional options here, and one of them is coupling. So if you have a new salesperson and if you did not connect already, then this delete coupling is grayed out, but setup coupling is active, and this box is empty if you did not yet couple. So here it is. As you can see, it's current, it's synchronized, it is correctly. There are a couple of other users, the ones that CRM Online, Dynamics CRM Online already created, are not connected. But there is also no existing salesperson for those users, so we will not match them. These are CRM users. So you just click the user that we created in CRM and you press OK. It will generate a message if you've coupled for the first time that it is synchronized now. So you can also do synchronization now and you will get a message that this is correct. Synchronization complete. So for those other users I did the same, and those ones are taken from CRM. Those are web portal CRM systems, and the other ones are created as well but not coupled. So that's done, so we can go back to CRM connection page, which I'm going to do now, and I'm going to perform synchronization, run full synchronization. One thing to notice here is that it will do the synchronization in a specific order, and that specific order will be discussed in another video, not in this one. But if you press run full synchronization, it will do everything for the first time, and it will do it in the correct order. So I will pause the video now because this can take a long while, and we're not going to utilize that time for that. So I'll come back to you later. Okay, as you can see, the full synchronization completed. So we can go with the results. I go to the synchronized, to the integration sync job logs, and there you can see that the synchronization was successfully done. Let's go back to the presentation. So what did we cover? We covered import solution. We create Dynamics CRM views for integration. We performed the setup in Dynamics NAV to connect to Dynamics CRM, and we coupled the salesperson. And finally, we performed the synchronization. If you need more information, please visit the Microsoft Dynamics NAV Getting Ready page. And I would like to thank you for your attention here. Thanks. Have a nice day. Bye.